Hey everyone, welcome back to KTalk. I'm K, and it's Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025. Let's break down yesterday's action in the US stock market and get the latest on Bitcoin. The US stock market is still hovering within its 4-hour consolidation range. However, yesterday's close saw the market end right at the upper boundary of that 4-hour consolidation, which looked like a potential breakout signal. First, let's look at the Nasdaq. On the 4-hour chart, the market continues to oscillate within its 4-hour consolidation, but yesterday closed right at the upper edge of the consolidation. Suggests there is a chance of an upward breakout from the 4-hour range. This is the 4-hour range, and this is the upper edge of the 4-hour consolidations. It's very clear yesterday closed at this upper edge, so it's a signal for breakout and break higher. I think just look at today's open. Okay, let's look at the 30 minutes. The 30-minute chart makes it even clearer. We can see that the consolidation chance is not only break below the lower edge. You can see here is the down chains of mini level, and then get the support at the down lower edge of this channel, and then rebound to the upper edge of the 4-hour consolidation. So we can see that the consolidation channel is not only breakout below the lower edge of the 30-minute channel, but actually close at the upper edge of the entire 4-hour consolidation range yesterday. This indicates the chain is still very strong and looks like the US stock market is ready to break higher. Let's look at the S&P. The S&P's 30-minute chain is also quite strong and has already reached the upper edge of its 30-minute channel. You can see it's very clear. 30-minute channels, upper edge. It seems the S&P has the largest oscillations range. So within this 4-hour consolidation, it falls hard, but also rise fast. You can see has free downward 30-minute consolidation, and then it rebound to the upper edge of the 4-hour consolidation. So it may be breakout very soon. So maybe there is a new high for these two indexes. But we can see the Dow. Let's look at the Dow. Finally, look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The Dow is still struck by its position within the 4-hour level. Even with the upward move, it's still suppressed by the overhead resistance. So there's no immediate sign for breakout. It will likely continue to consolidate below the Burberry line. Here is the resistance. The Burberry line is the big resistance here. So we will have to see if it gets a chance to challenge the Burberry line. Can it challenge the Burberry line and move into bullish territory in the future? It's hard to do, but maybe it have a chance. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Also, we can see the 30-minute make it even more evident. The Dow seems to struggling to break through this level, and yes, it get to the 30-minute channel's upper edge, but even if it break the upper edge of this 30-minute range, there is still a large level resistance above. We can see here is the larger level resistance, and this is big pressure of the chain. So its position within the larger time frame is what make its chain is the weakest indexes in the major three indexes. So take care of that. Okay, now that we have covered the US stock market, let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, let's first look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin has moved from the 4-hour consolidation formed after its new high to a new 4-hour consolidation range downwards. You can see here, this is the new high 4-hour consolidations, and then here is a downward consolidation, 4-hour consolidation. Here we can see Bitcoin has so it look currently the 4-hour red area is the highly unpredictable zone, because the chain is come up and down to this chain. This chain is likely a 4-hour consolidation, and this consolidation is under the MA, the Bubble line, and then this Bubble line make the chain is so difficult to predict. The precision is difficult to predict, and I think its move make it very difficult to go long or short. There is a chance to be wrong within entire move. So I think it's difficult to talk about. And maybe at this time, however, the direction is clear. Is in at this area, if it doesn't break out upon this Bubble line, it may be go down to return to this 330 line, MA 330. Okay, this is MA 330, and if the chain is not go break out and go to the new high, it probably most possible to break down to return this MA 330. So however, I think it's very clear, and here is a resistance of the MA, the Bubble line. Okay, it's a pressure to make the chain downward, but if not, it maybe break out, go to the new high. So this is why at this area is so difficult to make a decision. You know, it's if you go short, he'll break out. It will maybe break out. You lost. If you predict it's go short, he break out, and you did, and you will do it, make mistakes, and you can lose. So it's difficult to predict. Okay, but in my opinion is I think the the downwards and return to 330 may be the most possibility. We can see that after 4 downwards, we can, I think is let's look at the 30 minutes. I think this is quite clear at the 30 minutes because there is a 1, 2, 3, 4 downward chance, 30-minute chance, okay, 30-minute downward consolidations, and it's reborn to the Fibonacci resistance retracement level at about 0.61a, and maybe it is this level is the top of this reborn, and then it maybe go downwards to find the support of 4 hours 330 MA330. So I think maybe go short is a very good short opportunity. The target could be the bottom of the 4-hour consolidations. If it breaks below the bottom, it can look for a large level support, which might be the MA330 at the 4-hour level. So therefore, Bitcoin is showing a downward trend and is suitable to shorting, for shorting. So but take care at this area, maybe we will make a mistake. So just take care. And alright, that's my brief market review of the US stock market and Bitcoin for today. If you enjoyed today's analysis, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to keep up with the market pulse every day with KTalk. Feel free to share your thought in the comment section below. We will see you in the next episode. Thank you.